Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 6 Standard, Subject English. In today's class, children, let us learn a lesson called as Neerja Bhanot, Brave in Life, Brave in Death. So Unit 7, Prose, Neerja Bhanot, Brave in Life, Brave in Death. Children, we all hear about the soldiers protecting the country from external aggression, isn't it? Many soldiers, freedom fighters, etc. have laid down their lives for the sake of the country. Today, we are going to learn a different story of a woman called Neerja Bhanot who saved the lives of many people and set herself a great example for humanity. She is a lady who did not bother to save herself when other people's lives were in danger. Neerja Bhanot, born on September 7, 1963, died on September 5, 1986, was a flight attendant for Pan Am Airlines based in Mumbai, India. She died while saving passengers from terrorists on September 5, 1986. She went on to become the youngest recipient of India's highest civilian award for bravery, the Ashoka Chakra. Now in today's lesson, let us see how Neerja Bhanot became a heroic figure due to her bravery and commitment towards her profession. So Neerja Bhanot was born on September 7, 1963 and she died on September 5, 1986. That means she died at the age of 22. She was a flight attendant for American Airlines called Pan Am Airlines. Now, this flight was from Mumbai to New York. Some Palestinian terrorists or militant group, they hijacked means they unlawfully seized the airplane and they killed many passengers. During that time, Neerja saved many passengers from terrorists. She saved the life of many passengers from terrorists and in that process, she died in the year 1986 on September 5th. Okay, so she was the youngest Indian to receive the highest bravery award that is given in India, called as Ashoka Chakra. Neerja Bhanot was born on 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh, India. She was the daughter of Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot, a Mumbai-based journalist. She an alumna of Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, Bombay Scottish School and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. So Neerja Bhanot was born on 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh, in India. So her parents were Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot, who was a journalist and he was from Mumbai. She was an alumna. Alumna means former woman student of Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, Bombay Scottish School and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. Neerja Bhanot joined Pan Am Airlines in 1986. She was a senior flight purser on the ill-fated Pan Am Flight 73. This flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists after it landed in Karachi at 5 a.m. from Mumbai. PA-73 was en route to Frankfurt and onward to New York City. Neerja alerted the cockpit crew about the hijack. As the plane was on the tarmac, the 3-member cockpit crew of pilot, co-pilot and the flight engineer were able to flee from the aircraft. Neerja, being the most senior cabin crew member on board, took charge. Children, Neerja joined Pan Am Airlines in the year 1986. So she was senior flight purser. Purser means one who interacts effectively with others throughout the flight so that good relationships can be established with them. Okay, now once what happened, the flight was hijacked by 4 terrorists. And this flight had to move from Bombay, that is Sahar International Airport, to New York with stops at Karachi, Pakistan and Frankfurt, West Germany. So while it was on the ground at Karachi, 4 armed Palestinian men, they hijacked it. So they wanted to fly the plane to Cyprus, okay, a place called as Cyprus, in order to free Palestinian prisoners there. Okay, now at this time, Nirja, she gave information to the cockpit crew. Cockpit contains all those flight instruments and also the crew members such as pilot, co-pilot and flight engineer. Okay, so Nirja gave information to the cockpit crew. So when she informed them, all of the three, that is pilot, co-pilot and flight engineers, they escaped from the aircraft. Now Nirja, who was a senior crew member, she took the responsibility. The hijackers immediately shot dead a passenger who identified himself to the terrorists as an American. The terrorists wanted to identify the Americans, so they instructed Nirja to collect the passports of all the passengers. Nirja and the other attendants under her charge hid the passports of the 40 Americans on board. Now the hijackers were trying to kill the Americans in the aircraft, and they shot a passenger who told that he was an American. They told Nirja to collect the passport of the passengers to find Americans. Okay, but she hid the passports of about 40 Americans. Okay. After 17 hours, the hijackers opened fire and set off explosives. Nirja opened the emergency door and helped a number of passengers to escape. She did not herself escape. She died while shielding 3 children from a hail of bullets. Nirja was recognized internationally as a heroine of the hijack. She is the youngest recipient of the Ashoka Chakra, India's highest civilian award for bravery. Okay, now after about 17 hours, the hijackers started firing and also burnt explosives. Now what did Nirja do? She opened the emergency door so that people could escape. Now while protecting 3 children from bullets, she was shot and she died as a result. Children, she did not bother about herself but continuously went on saving the people there until her death. So Nirja is called as the heroine of the hijack. She is the youngest woman to receive Ashoka Chakra, the highest award for bravery. Now Nirja was also conferred Bharat Gaurav Award. Okay, that is 30 years after her death. Okay, 30 years after her death, she was also conferred Bharat Gaurav Award. Okay, so this is the life of Nirja Bhanot. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this lesson. So, in 2004, the Indian Postal Service has released a stamp also in her memory. Now, Nirja Bhanot, she showed a great maturity in saving lives at such a young age. You know, you all know that she died when she was just 22 years old. Okay, she died so that others could live, isn't it? When she opened the emergency exit, she could have herself been the first to slide down. But did she do that? No. She was a captain. Okay, she was a captain who believed that she had to be the last person to quit, alive or dead. Ashoka Chakra citation. Her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest qualities of the human spirit. Okay, citation. Citation is an official document which is in praise of some brave act. So, what is a citation in Ashoka Chakra? It's written that her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress, in difficult times, will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest qualities of human spirit. Now, Nirja Bhanot is a great example of humanity, isn't it? She has not only saved the life of Indians, she has also saved the life of so many other people belonging to different nationalities all over the world. So she still lives in the heart of the people all over the world. Okay, now coming to the homework part. You should write a paragraph about your favorite sports person. Okay, write a paragraph about your favorite sports person and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.